This is day one of van life. We've woken up in a hotel. Well, hostel, hotel? Somewhere between the two. We're just moving our stuff, our bags, into the van, and then we begin. We've just about loaded everything in. It just about fits. We'll put the duvet covers on, ready for later. Oh, this is going to be an experience, guys. Remember to follow along, subscribe, like, you know, just help us out, you know, and to keep updated, to see what's going on. We honestly don't know how much we're going to like this or hate this. I've stayed in a tent before for like 2, maybe 3 nights, and Paris has done it for what, a night or 2?
Yeah,
a night. And now we go in completely nomadic, in the back of a van, no experience, never done anything like this before. I signed up with Snap Fitness, which is a chain gym across New Zealand. I've used their facilities, used their shower, and got changed. Off out for the rest of the day. Oh, and I just bought myself a new pair of trainers for my workouts, and hopefully going to get into good shape whilst living in the van. We've parked the camper van up just outside the prohibited area, which is in the centre of Christchurch, so we can actually park there overnight. We should be able to freedom camp there overnight, sleep in the van. We're walking into the city to get some ramen. We booked it through an app called First Table,
and we get 50% off our meal.
So I think there was a $12 booking fee.
Yeah.
$12 booking fee, and then you get 50% off the total bill, not including drinks, I don't think, but still, that'll be some good ramen. Looking forward to it. Meeting a friend of mine from uni, just because he also happens to be in New Zealand right now, before we're heading back, and then later we'll do our first night in the van.
Woohoo!
So you phoned your mum, you were saying?
Yeah,
So we ended up going for drinks. So we just got back for the night out. We're cleaning our teeth in the back of the van. There she is. Her teeth, there's the van. This is our first night in the camper van. This is our bed for the night. Here we are, first night in the camper van. Alice is taking some selfies apparently. And we are, you know, this is very claustrophobic, I'll be honest. I'm not loving it so far.
I love it.
Do you?
Yeah.
She loves it.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. Day one in a camper van, you know? It's exciting at the very least. God knows what day 2 will bring, or day 3, or day 4.
Or week 5.
Or week 5. Oh wow. Maybe I'll love it.
Woohoo! Camp life!
Oh, van life. Right, like, subscribe, follow along. Let's find out how much we love or hate or are indifferent to life in a camper van going around New Zealand. It'll be an adventure for us. For you, I have no idea whatsoever what's coming.